It's an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj, Class 3, Subject Value Education, Topic Hard Work.
Good morning all my dear students. My today's video is dedicated to all my hardworking students who attend their online classes regularly, complete their work on time and learn and study their modules regularly. I know you must be waiting for today's video. So without wasting our time, let's start our today's video.
My dear students, today's topic is hard work. Hard work is the only key to achieve success in life. It is learned by discipline, dedication and determination. Through hard work, we can achieve the goals of our life. Let's learn about importance of hard work through a beautiful story. If we really work hard, we reap great benefits. Once upon a time, there were three brothers named Rohit, Mohit and Sumit. The three brothers lived with their parents in a lovely city. The three brothers had grown older and it was time for them to leave their parents and be on their own. They needed to build houses to live in, and after several months of preparations, they set out to start life. The first brother Rohit was very lazy. He decided to go through the easy route. I would build a house with straw. He said to himself it would be fast and easy, and so he gathered some straw from fields and built his house, and he was done within a day. The second brother Mohit was also lazy. He said to himself, I would build a house from sticks. I'm too tired to build and build. And so he built a house for himself with sticks, and he was finished in 3 days. The third brother Sumit was very hard-working. I would build a house with bricks. He said to himself, it might take a long time to build, but it would definitely be a strong house. And so he worked very hard, and it took him 3 weeks to finish his house. One night, there was a big storm. The storm blew so hard. The first brother heard the loud noise outside and was so scared. As the wind blew, the house shook. Oh no, he said, I better run away before the house falls down. As he left the house, the wind blew down his house to straw, and it all came to the ground. Oh no, he cried, my house is gone. And so he ran to Mohit's house. While they were there, the storm became even stronger. The wind blew harder and the sticks started moving. Both the brothers were terrified. We better run away before this house falls too, they cried. And so they left the house, and the wind blew the house sticks to the ground. They ran as fast as they could and went to the third brother's house and told him what had happened. Sumit welcomed them in. The sound of the storm wind grew louder and louder, but the house of bricks was so strong and they were safe in the house. The storm lasted all night till the early hours of the next day, but the three brothers were safe. We have learned our lesson. The other brothers said, the shortcut is not always the best. It pays to work hard. My dear students, we have learned from the story that we should always be hardworking. Thank you.